Pass on shoulder at 258.
It's 256.
Are you back in the lanes? Not which one yet. Be inside lanes. There he is right there, Sutter.
Put your hands up! Keep them up! Keep your hands up! Keep your fucking hands up! Walk!
Walk back this way! Walk back this way! Walk!
That's him.
Walk!
Walk back! Keep your hands up front! Walk backwards! Walk backwards! Walk backwards! Walk, keep walking back! We'll just keep fucking walking! Talking about what's going on. That's him. I thought it was a tent tag, but
Go down to your knees.
that makes sense. I don't know if there's anyone else in the car. We might ought to keep bringing him back.
Is there anybody else in the car? Anybody else in the car? Lay down on your stomach.
I'm gonna keep cover on you if you want to cuff him.
Yes, sir. I didn't even know you were chasing me.
Now let me take him. Very
What do you
important.
mean you didn't know we were chasing you? You haven't been chasing me for 20 miles.
I didn't know. I feel like, well, I'm just cruising.
Roll over on that side over there.
Take him real good before we clear the
Roll
car.
over that.
I can't help I'm injured.
Well, I know you're injured, but you ain't in a fire ant, so you're going to be...
Put that bag
you ain't
off.
going to injured.
I got money in my bag, officer. Can you get me off the fire? I thought I wanted to get ate up.
Roll over if you want.
Which way, officer?
Roll that way, to your right.
Can you lock it off?
What you got going on? Talk to me, Sarge. You good? You good?
What's in the car? Anybody in the gun?
You ready?
Yeah.
Clear the back. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna pop it.
All right.
Backpack. Trunk. I'm gonna get the trunk.
All right.
The net clear? The net direct?
Water sitting in the net. Get up.
I'm through.
Get up. You search again. You're under arrest for fleeing, okay? Okay. It's over with. Okay. Do you just normally drive 140 and pass on the shoulder?
Like when I'm trying to get, I gotta hurt
So you just normally drive like that? You didn't know I was behind you? Is that what you're telling me?
No, I didn't see you.
You got some weed in the car?
I probably got a new bag in my school bag.
Where you going?
I'm going to Little Rock to see my auntie.
Up around the back. Okay, go on. It's going to be real uncomfortable for you, but you do what you got to do. You play football?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you're big. You in college? That's probably over with, ain't it? That's probably over with, ain't it? Huh? You think this was very smart?
didn't even know you was talking. But, I heard my music up loud.
So you normally drive that fast? Huh? Is that what you're telling me? Huh? You do? Alright. Go.
I can't fit in there.
You're going to have to. I'm going to push you in there if you don't get in there. You're going to get sideways or something. You ain't got no choice.